One night she asked, "Does Mother Nature hate us?" Honestly, we didn't know what to say. Mary Shelley turned 16 today. It breaks my heart that we could not celebrate the way we wanted to, in the way that she deserves. Living in the aftermath of Super Typhoon Sinlaku has been much more difficult than previous calamities. In addition to her autism, she was recently diagnosed with ADHD and is also being assessed for OCD. When you add adolescence to the mix, it's a potent recipe for very intense and very frequent meltdowns. And while she was making progress with her SPED team at Kagman High, routine medication and helpful talk therapy, all of that was blown away by Sinlaku. Now, with the hot, humid days, long, dark nights, and overall misery of post-typhoon life, we do our best to comfort her and take care of her. Her meltdowns have gotten pretty bad, and she often complains about what afflicts all of us. No power, no water, no aircon, no normalcy. But despite all of that, she still manages to find sweet moments of joy amidst all the bitter despair. She still laughs, she still smiles, she still dances. And that inspires all of us to be more patient with her and with everything else. Because if she can dance as the sun sets, then so can we. Happy birthday, my precious, pretty princess.